Do you want to learn how to draw Pua the pot-bellied pig from Moana? Look at how cute he is. If so, you are going to need a couple of things like some paper to doodle on, a pencil to draw your doodle with, an eraser to erase any of the mistakes that you might make, and a marker to draw our awesome doodle. When you are done, grab all of those supplies and the crayons, the markers, the colored pencils, or the paint so we can add a little color to our awesome doodle once we draw it. Grab all of those supplies and let's get started. Ready to start our Pua, the pig from Moana. I loved Moana. I thought it was an awesomely made movie. Everything about it was perfect. The characters were wonderful, and Pua was definitely one of the cutest little piggies I think I've ever seen. So we are going to start with our paper vertical, which means that it is going to be tall this way and skinny this way. And we are going to start, now Pua has kind of a triangular shaped head. So what we're going to do is we are going to kind of draw in the outside part of his head, and then we will skip just a small area for his ears. So I'm gonna go up here at the top, and I'm gonna come down, and I'm gonna skip, he has a little bit of like some scraggly hair here. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to kind of draw in a few little zigzaggy shapes for that little fur he had up at the tip of his head. And then I will continue that curved line down. So I'm going to kind of, I'm coming down and around here. So I'll leave, let's leave a little gap here. And then I will come down and I'll do the same thing here. I'll leave that little bit of gap, come down. So see how I'm kind of at a triangular pointy shape here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of curve down and around. So honestly, it kind of looks like an angry bird almost right now. And that is fine because that is the shape of his head. Now he does not have normal pig ears, which is probably why I think he is so stinking cute. He has these very big triangular, almost fox-like ears. So we're gonna go ahead and draw in those big triangle shapes. And he has one on each side. They're both the same, but these are gonna have some lines that are gonna come down on the inside. Look how perfect that line was. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So this is the inside of his ear, which is actually going to be a pink color. All right, now I'm going to come down here and we are going to make a curved line that kind of curls up at the end. And it's pretty big. I would say it's probably 2.5 inches. And then I'm going to go up at the top here and I'm going to create his little piggy nose that is actually going to kind of curl down into that smile, which is his mouth. You can go ahead and give him his little nostrils. Now we got our little piggy nose. And I'm going to go back up and add in where some of his polka dots are, his little dots on him. So he's got some like gray spots. So I'm going to add one there and one here. And I'm going to come around that little hair stripe there and give him one there. And then before I do his eyes, I'm going to come down and throw in his body. So we're going to come down on both sides with a curve. And try to make them the same. Then we're going to come in just a little bit and we're going to come down at an angle. And we'll do the same thing the other side. We'll come down at an angle. And I'm very close but not touching that end part. Then we're going to kind of go outward at an angle. And just like all of our animals in that middle there, you can go ahead and do a little curve for where their body touches the ground. And his little feet are going to go over, and then you're going to take like a little chip out of it for where his hoof is. And we're going to do the same thing over here. So take out a little upside down V for his hoof. I'm going to turn it sideways here, and I'm going to color a curved line. And then he's kind of got another little line up above that curve. So I'm just going to kind of draw that little curved line in there. And his hooves, you can color them in with your crayon. I'm going to color them in with my marker. And they are going to be a solid black or a nice dark brown. It kind of just depends on what color you're using. Are you going to use your marker? Are you going to use your crayons? So now I'm going to go ahead and do a nice curve over here on each side for his side legs. And right here, he does have a pretty good sized spot that comes down into his arm. And he has a little spot over here. So you can go ahead and draw those little spots in. And then for his foot, we're going to curve and curve. And these are going to kind of curve down a little bit. And you can take a little V chip out there, just like we did on the his little hand area. That's up to you. And same thing, I'm going to color those in black. One leg's a little, or one foot's a little bigger than the other, and that's okay. Just how he's sitting, no big deal. And then we kind of need to add in a horizon line maybe while we're right here. And then we can go up and finish his face with his cute little eyes. So his eyes are pretty simple. So we're going to start with 2 maybe nickel-sized circles. We're going to make sure that they're kind of in the same place on the face. Equal sides of the nose, and you can color those in with your marker or with your crayon, up to you. Then we're going to go around that with kind of a circle shape. And I'm not touching the eye. I'm going around it. I'm trying to stay with it like if I was going to touch it, but I'm not connecting it. But when I color, I will try to leave that part white so it does look kind of connected. So over here, we can give him a little eyebrow. A little eyebrow over there. And then on this side, he's got a spot. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw that spot, which is going to also have kind of a triangular feel to it. And then at the very top of that spot, we're going to draw in his eyebrow. Look at how cute Pua is. I love him. He is so adorable. All right, so now we can go ahead and grab our crayons, markers, colored pencils, or paint and give him some color and kind of bring him to life. So I'm going to use my Crayola Twistables. Go ahead and grab whatever works for you and let's get coloring. Look at how cute our little Pua turned out from MOANA. He is so darn cute. I love him. Him and Hey Hey were definitely my next favorite characters to MOANA. I hope that you had a great time doodling with me today. If so, please like, subscribe, and share the video. And I cannot wait to see you again next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.